Bhí Brian Hayes and Nuchan imar na bliana reis mar maithe nar chlí Cumann Fionnbarra Naofa na Champagne rathe Eva Cuile. Mar sin bhí Cumann Fionnbarra Naofa fós atóir a chréibh maníocht agus pelle. Ina going bhí na Sáirséalaigh, Champagne na món agus créibh na hair na bliana scata. An réach an taigh sin chun tarifa dómh. Má darmat annacha a haman trátrachta.
Anúna ahananta ar nói ag Barra Naofa an Sean Muintir Cahalán sa Costantóirí Jamie Byrne an captain Lorna Parker Ethan Toomey agus chun tosa Ben Cunningham Malor Cancha Fiúd agus níos mú Cancha Fiúd bhí Brian Hayes. A brando ar na Sarsfields while she's in the Cork on Nora, Conor Sullivan Foston captain by Craig Leahy's Luke Elliott give Marshall Dalton in a Lachul, Daniel Hogan Lorna Parker agus Jack O'Connor and Red Akashud in Snatosa. Canishal Butcher Stock Martian. Well, Dina Rog Vitocha Kachtorcha Shahe Rohent. Giri Gana Machin Toshan Denta, as Corey Shachs the Sports. Oh, Pascal Roy Chohanish. Giri Gareth Shach on Ains Cove, 4th Kekkin with the case, Gershon Chance. Oh, the goal! Forza Egg. William Buckley, August Cole, John Scuff watching William Buckley. On to the draw egg. The bars more hooked or the draw Cushley. Near a chance to goal bar. Taven is just the Sarsfields in Ganza Dova Agaha Aka. Tá sé fáte an lá toachta Illingéige tá sí bulteige fa Jeffar tá sí bulteige jazz sinna James Sweeney. Ní a Iomáint is an fórnanis. Buchamach Ord. Sin fáte haar bar sin ag John Wigginton Barrett agus í bulte ag John is í bulteige jazzige. Bhí an brehin agus bhí bulach amach céna. Sáirséalaigh teachta ríis an Cantin Corristeach i Cian Darcy. Jota tu sé hetin, tá sí de tarntas i chéile, tá sé fáte an lán tosach, bhfuil sé gur press go ríd, leis an céáilte aige, nis, tá nadog séite Puck Éirice. Nis a go má brethir an slitar a tren, an lán tosach James Sweeney, far mór láidir, as é éfortach san éir. Nis, seo an chance Cumann Fionnbarra agus í chur a thara trasnán, cólín. Níos fearna thad is docha, ach bhí seantar gól. Tá sé bheith sásta a gólín. Just as bás bris síos, seantar teánis. Cumann Fionnbarra Naofa dul an runta ríis, cean mór ord chuir seachan sin. Tá sí fáte Brian Hayes agus Brian Hayes, jazz simply thara trasnán, bhí an Pascal jazz. Dermot Sullivan and Chin, Tosh Island, Sáirséalaigh Risham Leona. I know Cushi go Cliff Canish the hair in the hurp. The Gareth Shachan is Shant of goal. It's a cold score. It's a Forteg Barry O'Flynn. Cold and Sco. Yarsha Stach. Fisha for Vru, Yerishan Green, August Washa. Macharativ. Doesn't say heart, yeah. There's an Aberhans Literature Rish. Put your father Talon again. You door the Golisteach. Tá sí fáte Brian Hayes, which has made of a goal. No, she's made of a goal. Zeta Rock, which has made of a goal. Tá sé ord. Ní hen dochar sin a bhí de gur brithir le redor dentisteach agus a críoch, yes, ísil. Briste síos. Jeisi le Sáirséalaigh teachta ríis. Daniel Carney bhíonn sin agus í puilte thara trasnán i Daniel Carney. Cábhseach an réitor. Se le fáteigh na Sáirséalaigh ríis, bhfuil siad tharint sló, ní le cácholainn chun cín. Sin na chance na sé Cian Darcy bhád amach, Cian Darcy á bóla go deas. Conradh taobh líne. Se le fáte ráis a ríiseacha. Oh, an ghólan tucha sin agus ghólan glán. As an réitor an gharne se tadas ballach. Shelvin sí Jack O'Connor. Jack a Corshis and Turbo, Gerin Graham, Jack Haratraston, on goal and Bader, he's put them out a Chorhan Scotian. I thought she'd go and shot. Lavrish to Shias Mata. Chance egg, na Sáirséalaigh Chatterish na Curraha. Ryan Chug with Cillian Murphy. Came in for a fight Jack O'Connor nish to Lahek and Jack. Austin Shannon goalie took and Chafoy. Jack O'Connor scoring Yi Kayla. Machortiv. Corriga hauling and Chen. Jack Cahalane a ball ash and score. Crohi agus Creachni Jack Cahalane hain. On Irucht. Oh, Chulin is in the forne. Belga. Oh, Button took Shelf took a one shot. Chancing to Sáirséalaigh shot to Shach and shot. Shot has a goal. Ah, and Towel Genta. Shane Hurley. Shane Hurley Gamahan Chen. Chancing Shane O'Regan. Wulchak Gamaha fi Cumann Ray. Achar past Jazz Ishel. Father Leathcheannais Darcy fi Vrú. Tá sé ag Costin Jazz Alien Shit on Lewis ag Halo on Roar Joy Darcy. Tá sé fós ag Cahawit she Shen score in or John Gates go Jenny Keane Darcy. Sorry Rucht. Fix the car. Left fix it 3. British Shias. Got Trassin Johnish, Jack O'Connor. Jack, Tosha Trish. Elu, turn to find score against Jack O'Bolliga Jazz. That's Jack over Brandon Clifford, thought to Dave Lane, Conscious to Jach, and Mele Cole, but Brian Hayes is strip. She British Shias, last scope of market, Jenny Donald English. As another Yernock Shades and Taxon Genta, Hegna Curraha, either Ash to Leathcheannais.
Jeez, it feels like a long time ago now since we finished up with our All-Ireland final last year. It was a very quick turnaround. I think it was maybe 2 weeks between the All-Ireland final and our first league game. So like it's been non-stop really for the last 24 months. It's been crazy, but you know, just thankful today. It's more of a relief than anything, to be honest, and to get over the line today. I think Middleton won by a point maybe or something, was it? The same in our game as well. Shows the standard of competition really in Cork, so it's to get through the final is unreal. So yeah, we're delighted to be on the other side of it.